Hi guys! Good afternoon from Dubai. So dahil ngayon ay Nurses Day, all I would like to greet all my fellow nurses na Happy Nurses Day sa ating lahat. And also, by celebrating this day, mag-vlog ako. It's my first time to do this kind of vlogging na magkasalita in front of the camera. So, yun, still I feel anxious ba, or parang ganun. So, I'm not used to, speak to the camera. I'm really a camera shy, pero I will try my best kasi ngayon ay Nurses Day. And just for improvement ng aking vlogging tsaka level up, I will answer some of the top questions na gustong malaman ng ating mga co-nurses. So ito, yung first question na natanggap ko before is, Hi, I also want to work in Dubai as a registered nurse. How to apply? Way back 2015, pumunta ako sa Dubai as a tourist visa. But before that, planning to go to Dubai that time, I already taken my DH exam. Hello ma'am, paano po kayo nag-apply ng nurse sa Dubai? Thanks po, sana mapansin nyo. So nag-apply ako through online. Bali lahat ng mga website nila, actually research. Yan, research. All hospitals sa Dubai, ni-research ko talaga. Hinalam ko yung website. Kasi doon sa mismong website ng hospital, meron dong parang careers. Then from there, doon ka mag-a-apply. Google nyo lang. Like, hospitals in Dubai. Lahat ng list ng mga hospitals, malaking hospital naman is, tulungan naman kayo ni Google para hanapin and malaman kung ano yung mga hospital, yung mga, let's say, yung meron dito. Tapos from there, madali na. So, through internet lang talaga. So, research lang. The next question is, kayo po namili ng area nyo, ma'am. Yung time na nag-apply ako is as outpatient department, OPD. So, yun talaga yung experience ko. So, bali yun sa pag-a-apply, depende rin dun sa experience mo. Yun. At kung kaya mong sagutin yung mga questions nila, for example, kung ibang area ang gusto mong applyan na hindi align dun sa experience mo, yun. Kung kaya mong sagutin, why not? May mga ganun na mga iba na mga employer na alam mo yung kini-consider yung application mo even though na wala kang experience doon sa ina-apply mong position. So, but for me kasi ever since nung nag-apply ako sa that area, yun talaga yung hiring nila. So, wala din naman akong option. Pero, meron naman din kasi mga hospital na merong internal application. For example, gusto mo mag-apply sa certain position tapos wala silang hiring. Then in the end, nagkaroon sila ng hiring. Pwede ka naman mag-apply, internal application nga. Tapos, ayun, nadaan ka ng interviews. So, yun. So, next question that I got is, Hello sis, pwede malaman ilang araw off na offer? Thank you. So, ngayon sa current job ko, meron akong 2 days off. Kasi, outpatient pa rin ako eh. So, 2 days off. Same lang po ba yung HAAD tsaka DHA? Nope, hindi po. Hindi siya parehas. So, DHA is for Dubai. HAAD is for another Emirates like Abu Dhabi tsaka Al Ain. Yun. Hi ma'am, paano po mag-apply ng Dubai? Any agency from the Philippines about to Dubai? Regarding agency, wala akong idea, wala akong alam about agency sa Pinas. Pero may nare-research ako, merong isang agency, I think ABA. Yun, agency yun na nag-hire sila to, UAE. How to apply po ma'am and need po ba experience ma'am? Experience, for sure. Kailangan mo na experience kasi syempre, yun ang labanan dito. May mga na-hire naman din na mga wala experience pero expect mo rin na medyo mababa yung offer. Pero unlike dun kung may experience ka na, at least meron kang laban, no? Merong laban yung experience mo or yung CV mo. So, and I know maraming competition dito. So, make sure mo na kung pupunta ka dito or mag-apply ka, make sure na may baon ka, which is yung experience. Is it necessary to speak Arabic? Not necessarily, but it's an advantage for you. Kasi may mga locals talaga na hindi pa nakaka-English or Arabic lang talaga yung language nila. So, mas advantages sa'yo in a way na kapag gusto mo silang kausapin, alam mo yung maintindihan mo sila, ma-attend mo sila. So, yun. So, yun ang answer ko. Last question. Ayan, hi po, as lang po. Free po ba ang accommodation ng nurses sa Dubai? So, accommodation, I don't think so. Kasi depende sa contract. Like for example, on my current job right now is, kasi nasa breakdown ng contract ko yung mga, let's say, housing allowance, ganyan. So, meron kaming option kung gusto mong i-acquire yung accommodation nila or kung gusto mong mag-live out. Pero kasi kapag naman na nabigyan ka na ng offer letter, nandun na lahat yan. Nandun na yung mga, breakdown ng sahod mo. So yun guys, salamat po sa panonood ng aking little tiny vlog. So as I said nga earlier, is my first time. So bear with me kasi nag-a-adjust or nangangapa pa ako sa pag-vlog, especially talking in front of the camera. So yun lang, hope you enjoyed my vlog for today and sana nag-informative siya somehow. Yun lang po and see you for my next vlog. Thank you. Bye-bye.